Imagine creating a professional YouTube thumbnail, a business logo, or even a full presentation in under 5 minutes. No Photoshop, no design skills. Sounds impossible, right? Not anymore. Watch this. Hey everyone, welcome back to Digi Whisper. I'm Saib, and here we explore the smartest tools and digital hacks to save your time, boost your creativity, and grow your online presence. Today, I'm breaking down one of the most talked about designing tools in the world, Canva. What is it? Why is everyone from students to marketers to YouTubers using it? Let's jump right in. Let's start simple. Canva is an online graphic design platform that allows anyone, literally anyone, to create stunning visuals using drag and drop tools. Whether you want to design YouTube thumbnails, social media posts and banners, business cards and brochures, ebooks and presentations, image and video editing, logos and t-shirts, infographics and whatnot. Everything. Yes, you heard it right. Canva gives you thousands of ready-made templates that you can customize in seconds. No complicated software, no learning curves. Just click, drag, customize, and boom, your design is ready. Why should you use Canva? It's super easy to use. Even if you have never designed anything before, Canva feels natural. Just drag, drop, change colors, adjust text, and done. Anyone can look like a designer. It has massive templates library. You got thousands of professional templates for every purpose. YouTube, business, social media, events, posters, everything. Why start from scratch when Canva gives you a head start? And of course, you can also design any from scratch to flourish your creativity. Instead of spending 2 to 5 hours designing a thumbnails, you can finish to design viral YouTube thumbnails in 5 minutes. For content creators, freelancers, and business, this is a game changer. You can make professional results without paying designers. Hiring a graphic designer for every banner or post can get expensive. With Canva, you can get professional quality designs at a fraction of cost. It works everywhere. No installation needed. Canva works on laptop, tablet, or even your phone. Perfect when you need to make a quick edit on the go. So that's Canva. Simple, powerful, and packed with everything you need to design like a pro. And great news! In the next video, you are going to learn exactly how to use Canva step by step. And also, if you want to master Canva and start earning money online, I have added a free Canva course, Beginners to Pro, in the pinned comment and description. Go check it out and start your Canva journey today. Have you tried Canva before? What was the first thing you designed? I would love to read your answers. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next Digi Whisper video. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more tools, reviews, and digital hacks. And tell me in the comments.